Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about why does your Shopify store say opening soon. To solve this, it's pretty simple. So here we are in the community of Shopify and we have the same question. So the page is displaying coming soon and this has been the response of Shopify. So basically all we want to do is go to your Shopify admin store in online store. So here we're in online store and then we're going to go to settings, or we want to go to online store first. So online store. So we go back here. It says we have to go to preferences, of course. From preferences, you want to go to your password protection area. So let's just wait for this and then let's look for a password. So here we have password protection. And then from there, we want to uncheck the enable password. So once it's unchecked, as you can already see, it's already unchecked. You can remove this when you have a plan, of course. So once that is, you can uncheck that and then you'll have to press the save button and then you'll be on your way. And it's just that simple. So once you save this in your preferences, there won't be any more pop-ups for your Shopify store saying it's opening soon. So there you go guys. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.